Hello, first grade. Make sure I am recording. Yes, I am. Can't see it with that on the other side. Okay, so today we are talking about adding past 10, getting into bigger numbers. Teen. I know I should be wearing my teen queen crown, but I am not. All right, let's take a look at our adding today. This reminds me of that rainbow game we play on the smart board where you have the two clouds and it equals 10. So you have to figure out what goes on each cloud. So if we had 9 on one side, what number goes on the other side? It also reminds me of a game that we used to play. Remember this game when you had 10 of your 10 rods and you would hide some of them behind your back. And then you would tell us, that one's going to go behind my back too. You would tell us how many you have. So I would say I have 6 10 rods right now. How many am I hiding behind my back? And then I would know that 6, if I have 6 here, then I must have 4 hiding behind my back. You remember when we played that game? So that's kind of what this is right here for your warm-up. So it would be like saying 10 equals, because I have 10 of these. If I show you 9, how many are hiding behind my back? So if you want to pull out your 10 rods to help you figure this out, you can. So let's see, I have 9 here. How many do you think I'm holding behind my back? I only have 1. So you would put a 1 in the first blank. And then the next one says 7. So if I showed you 7, how many am I hiding behind my back? Think about it. Think about it. Did anybody say 3? I have 3 behind my back. So you can do the next 2 all by yourself. You can pull out those 10 rods if you want to help you count. All right, let's keep going. Here's our new stuff. All right, we have, look, a bus again and children on the bus. But this time we don't have a cute little bus drawn. We just have to use our counters. So it says 8 children are on the bus. And you know what? In my head, it really helps me if I kind of make it look like a 10 frame. So I'm going to make this kind of look like a 10 frame. Because we use that number 10 a lot, don't we? It's kind of an important number in math. So there's 5 on the top, and then I'll put 3 on the bottom for 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. 5 more get on the bus. So I'm going to put these down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I did say get on the bus, right? Pay attention to that. They're getting on the bus, not off the bus. Okay, so how many are on the bus now? We can't really tell how full the bus is, can we? But let's see. I would probably count like this and just count I could start with 8, put the 8 in my head because I already know I have 8, and then count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Or you might count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maybe. There's another way you can do it. They're going to show us on the model. It says, how can thinking about 10 help you solve the problem? Now that's interesting. Remember I told you I like to go to the 10 frames? Could we do it like this and slide these up here? Look there. We just filled up a 10 frame. So then I know I've got 10 here. It's like Bob in his hands. 10 here, and then 3 here, so I know it's 13. I wonder if that's what they did in the model it. Maybe that's what they meant when they said thinking about, look at that. That's what we just did, isn't it? We had 8 red ones, and then we slid up 2. Yeah, so they've got their problem 2 different ways here. 10 plus 3 equals 10, 11, 12, 13. But it's the same as 8 red ones plus 5 yellow ones. So then, of course, we've already said it. There are 13 kids on the bus. It's not a very crowded bus, is it? All right. Was our way like the model it? I did put mine kind of like a 10 frame, but I didn't slide them up, did I? Nope. Did that 10 frame help? Do you like to use the 10 frame? Maybe. Maybe. It might help you with harder math down the line. All right, you have several applies today, so I want to make sure that you're understanding what to do, and you're going to have to do them all the way down to an exit ticket, and it's a pretty easy exit ticket today. All right, if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out.